Come on, Dora.
I think if you just walk, she'll follow. She's keeping her eye on Dennis, ain't she?
Mm-hmm. Maybe I should hold the leash.
Maybe.
She seems to walk better when I hold the leash. I mean, it does too. Let her stop and smell. She's never been here. Oh, she's going to the bathroom. Wow, Gary. She goes pee in public. Peanut doesn't. Hey. At least it was outside.
That's the
what
whole
counts,
intent,
right?
Dennis. Outside.
Come on, Dora. Let her walk towards the grass so the gravel might be a little harder. Huh?
Oh, is that done? They're sleeping right now. Come on. Oh, no, they're not.
How's Peanut? He's doing fine. How's Dora? Slow. She's fine. She's fine. She's exploring.
Sniffing everything.
She's exploring Crescent Bend Nature Park. Yeah. This area is really shady. Skiing again. With who? Okay, normally you should have plastic bags in your fanny pack to clean it up, but it's alright for today.
We didn't think about that, Dennis.
Because we never had a dog that would poop out in public. Normally.
Dora.
Come on, Dora. We start calling her Speedy. She's going at her own leisurely pace. She is. That's fine.
That's okay. We don't.
Let her go at her own leisurely pace.
We'll walk a little bit until the dogs go. I think I'm done.
We'll just keep going until they're tired out. And nothing's going to stop me. Let's walk through here. Look at these beautiful flowers. Aren't they beautiful, Mom?
Someone's not paying attention.
Let Mom pick some flowers. She might want those for her. My base at home. What?
He's taking a leak.
Oh. He's a public pisser after all. Peanut just took a wicked pisser. Much like Dora.
We go up this trail, it cuts over to that, right by that street that we're by anyway.
Yep. I'm not going to comment on that one.
Well, neither am I.
I stated it in a previous video.
I stated it in mine. Again, how's Dora?
She's fine. She's going at her own pace.
Yeah, she's little.
I'm not forcing her.
And how's Peanut once again? Doing fine.
Yep. Pooping again.
Really?
Yeah, that's the one.
Here, look at the dove.
Oh, there it goes.
Not much of a tracker, are you, Peanut?
Not like Copper in The Fox and the Hound.
Oh, she's kicking it up.
And the sequel.
Look at her, though. Look at her tail.
Oh, look how she's loving this.
Tail's right up. Waggity wag
Yeah.
wag.
Waggity wag wag wag.
Next time, I will bring poop bags.
Don't worry about it.
Come on, Dora. Keep up.
We'll just keep going until they're tired out. And once they're tired out,
Vase at home?
I gotta trim them off because I got
Yeah.
roots and everything.
While you're out there, watch out for the snakes.
Don't say that.
there aren't any snakes. You think there... You're wrong, Dad.
Ow, purple ones have pricklies.
Do they?
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah. Oh, Dan, get me some of these yellow ones.
Oh no. You got enough.
No, I don't. Okay.
She's taking forever.
She's pooping again.
No, she took a wicked piss out.
Again?
I have no comments on this video.
You're yapping out. Dennis, are you making any headway?
I'm not forcing her.
Well,
You're not keeping up. Run.
No, she can't run.
damn, not far. Okay, now here's a different one. These yellow devil's paintbrush or whatever. They're different than what you got. Right there. The weed looking one.
Those are out too.
No, they're not.
Doing great, Dora.
The yellow one.
Hello. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Hey, maybe you guys will get lucky and see the little baby on the willow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's probably about 500 feet up.
Okay, thanks. Now that
Butterfly.
I have to get it on video.
but don't clean up dog food either.
Yeah.
Kind of get out here and it's like, oh, I didn't think about that. See,
I'm
there's some
actually
more of the
enjoying
yellow
this.
pine,
Yeah.
the tall ones that we fill in. Oh, me?
Try to keep up, Dora. She's fine. Let her walk slow. Here's some shade, Dora.
Yes, let's try to walk a little bit. And here's some white ones.
Get her to go, I'll just give a light tug on the leash. Maybe I should carry her the rest of the way.
No.
If you want to carry her for a little bit to let her rest, and then you can put her back down.
There we go.
Did good so far, Dora.
See a plane.
Doing good.
What airline is that? I know the one we're flying is United Airlines.
Huh?
She didn't tell us if it was a head heavy on the go. Where's the billow? It's at about 500 feet, so it should be through here somewhere.
If you want to get back to the car a little quicker, we go down this paved road here. Got enough exercise there, little girl?
Yeah, I believe she's all tuckered out.
She did okay, right?
Sure did.
If you feel like walking a little more, we can go down there. Alright, we'll go this way.
Let's go down this pavement.
Well, we didn't see the armadillo.
Disappointing. Yeah, it don't matter anyway.
Well, you might get a week out of those in the base.
Yeah. Can I get a video here? I would. That way you can... Yeah.
What are those over there?
Those are some type of lily or iris or